Today, I want to talk to you if you are in the real estate industry, and the reason why I want us to have this conversation is basically because I want to probably interest you or persuade you to consider starting a real estate YouTube channel in Kenya. And the idea here is that besides, using that YouTube channel to promote your business or to promote your profession or career in the real estate industry, you can actually use the same YouTube channel to build an income generating online business. YouTube or video marketing is actually a very powerful tool when it comes to communicating to your potential clients, communicating to your potential audience, and you can use it to actually promote your business as well as build an asset that can actually create income for you. This can be either personal income, or you can use it to even add an additional income stream for your existing real estate business in Kenya. So you should probably look at YouTube not just as a source of entertainment, but you can become a creator in this ecosystem. You can start creating content that adds value to your target market, to your business partners, to your audience, people you are looking to buy the products or the services that you provide in the real estate industry. And the idea here is that you can be able to use YouTube to actually monetize your real estate knowledge, your real estate skills, real estate expertise, and the experience that you have in the real estate industry. And YouTube is a platform that you should leverage. It's something that you should be able to use to build the business and the lifestyle that you want. Real estate is a powerful industry. It's a very lucrative sector, and you can actually leverage the power of video marketing to increase your business sales, to generate more leads, and end up making more money. And there are very many ways on how you can probably make money with your YouTube channel. I know the one that you probably are aware of is where you get money from the advertising that is actually displayed on the YouTube videos that you create and that you watch. But there are other ways on how you can actually use YouTube to build a business. And more importantly, you can use it to generate qualified leads of people who can actually end up either buying the real estate solutions that you are providing. So what this means is that I want you to think of YouTube as a top of funnel kind of a marketing platform. It is the front door to your real estate ecosystem. You get an opportunity to showcase who you are, to showcase the projects or the products and services that you provide. You use YouTube to educate your potential audience, to educate your potential customers, and also probably even provide them with insights and tips and ideas about what is going on in the real estate industry. You want to become a person who is of value to the people you want to serve. And as you do that, you can actually turn around and build that YouTube channel into an income generating asset, into an income generating online business. And today, YouTube is sort of in an easy mode whereby it is promoting small creators, it's promoting small businesses. So if you can be able to get over the idea that actually you will be on video or you will be on camera, you can be able to build something that can end up being of great value to you over the long term. So take 1 hour or 2 hours today to learn and understand how YouTube works in Kenya. Figure out the YouTube business model so that then you can align it to the interest and the business goals that you have. Figure out how you can be able to create content even using just your phone. Create short videos and start uploading. The idea is that this will be a long journey, so do not be worried as you start. You may not even get any views when you start, but at least you are getting the reps in, you are getting into the game, and that is the most important when you are starting a real estate YouTube channel in Kenya. For you to make this work and succeed with your YouTube channel, you will need to pick a niche and particularly even going deeper and choosing a sub niche within the larger topic that you are interested in. And the idea here is that you want to be very specific with the person that you want to target. You want to be very specific with the target market that you are going after. So it is very important for you to not only look at the broader topic or the broader industry, but to also go a little bit deeper and pick something that is very specific within that larger industry. It means that you are going to be focusing on an area or a very specific area that you like, something that you enjoy doing, and at the same time you're also going to pick something that you probably have expertise on, you are knowledgeable about, you are very skilled on, and it might be just something that is a hobby, something that you are passionate about, or something that you have actually experienced in the course of your life. The three things that you need to consider when you are undertaking this or when you are building this as an online business. 1, you need to focus on building an audience. 2, you need to focus on building trust with the audience that you are building. And 3, you need to actually consider the monetization strategies or the business model that you are going to implement. These 3 things are very, very important. They are critical to the success of your YouTube channel. And importantly, they are going to be foundation of you building a successful online business based on the content you are creating on this YouTube channel. In summary, these 3 things will involve the following. You will need to create content that is aimed at building your audience. And this is the foundational step because you really want to build an audience of people who are aligned to the topic that you're discussing about, or people who are actually aligned to the market or the target market that you are involved in. You want to look for people who actually would be interested in the topic that you are discussing. People who would be interested either in the product or services that you might develop somewhere down the line. So it's very important to have this clarity when you are starting because it's going to inform the strategy that you are going to create when it comes to the kind of content that you are going to create. And once you have started building an audience, you need to also have a strategy on how you are going to build trust with that audience. And this is informed by a very simple fact that we buy from people that we trust, people we have built a relationship with. And that is a decision that takes a while. So you need to take time to use the content that you are creating to actually build trust with the audience that you are attracting on your YouTube channel. Once you have built the audience or you have built a critical mass of an audience that is interested in the topic that you are talking about, and you are building trust with them, you are constantly engaging with them, building that rapport, it becomes very easy then for you to actually execute the third point or the third factor of this particular ecosystem, and that is putting in place the monetization strategies or coming up with ways to make money with your YouTube channel. There are quite a number of ways on how you can be able to monetize your YouTube channel, and they could be as simple as display advertising, affiliate marketing, building your own digital products, or you could find other ways to monetize your content. And this becomes very critical if you have been able to build an audience that would be interested in those things, as well as if you have been able to do or you have been able to build trust with that audience. Implementing monetization strategies is actually very easy if you have done the other 2 bits well. As you can see, starting a YouTube channel means that you are going to be sharing your experiences, your knowledge, and expertise with your target audience. And this is going to be the start of your journey towards building an additional source of income. You might even be looking at it as a way to build a passive source of income. And for you to be able to actually achieve that objective, I want to propose that you consider this as a long-term project. And this is because creating a YouTube channel and building content is not an easy thing. It's something that is going to take time before you build the audience and also start implementing the monetization strategies that you want to use. Get started on this, start taking action, and that means you need to start creating YouTube videos. Stay consistent and do not give up even when things don't look or don't seem to be going the right direction. Sometimes you need to be creating videos even if people are not watching them. If you have enjoyed this particular video, I am sure you're going to enjoy the one on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one.